Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another video. In today's slime makeover, I'm going to be taking 3 slimes and I'm going to be turning them into 18 different slimes, creating this beautiful slime palette. I hope you guys enjoy the video and let's get right into it. This right here is the first slime that we are going to be fixing. So I was recently making this slime and I was being very impatient, so I accidentally ended up over activating it, and then I just got frustrated and I left the slime in a container. So today I thought I would go ahead and fix it with you guys in this video and also give it a makeover. So yeah, here I'm showing you guys how over activated this slime is. As you can see, it's not stretchy at all, it's super tough. I can basically break the slime into pieces. To fix up the texture, I'm going to be using hair gel. You can also use glycerin. Hair gel is going to act like a slime deactivator, so the more hair gel you add, the more it's going to melt the slime. So you want to add a good amount depending on how tough your slime is, but if you do add a lot of hair gel, it will basically melt the slime and you would have to reactivate it again. As you can see, I've fixed the texture of the slime and it is super stretchy. Now it is time for us to give this a makeover. So the first thing I'm going to do is divide the slime into 2 equal parts. I'm going to be changing this slime into 2 different textures. So for the first half, we're going to be changing this into floams. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and add in some white glue. I'm going to mix that together, and because I added in glue to the slime, it did melt. So I'm going to add a little bit of some activator. So the base of the slime is done. Here is the slime palette that we're going to be using. It has 18 compartments. I got this from Michael's, I think. And what I'm going to do is check how many compartments can I fill using this slime. So I managed to fill 6 of them. So I'm going to take each one of them and I'm going to change up the color, and we're also going to be adding some foam beads. For the colors, I decided to do red, pink, orange, yellow, a super pale green, and then brown. We have 6 of our slimes. Now I'm going to take the remaining slime and I'm going to turn it into a butter slime by adding in some Daiso clay. I'm not sure if you guys can tell, but the clay that I was using was super dried out. I had a really hard time mixing it in. We have our butter slime here, and now I'm going to check how many compartments can I fill using it, and I managed to fill 6 of them. So we're gonna go ahead now and take each portion and change up the color. For the colors, I'm going to be doing peach, yellow, blue, purple, brown, and white. So far in our palette we have 12 slimes, now to fill the rest of the 6. This right here is the second slime that we are going to be fixing today. It's a clear slime with these really pretty pearl beads and seashells in it. This slime is super old. I think it might be like over 2.5 years old, which is why it is completely melted. So I'm going to go ahead and pour the slime into a bowl, and the first thing I'm going to do is remove all of the pearl beads and seashells. Once that was done, I went ahead and reactivated the slime. Using this slime, I managed to fill 3 of the compartments. Now I'm not going to be changing the texture of this slime because I do want some clear slimes in this palette, but I will be giving these color, so I ended up doing red, blue, and purple. We still need to fill 3 of the compartments, so I went into my slime collection and I found this yellow slime. It does have some specks of glitter in it. I'm not too sure how old the slime is, but it was completely melted. So I'm going to go ahead and reactivate it. Using this yellow slime, I was able to fill the last 3 compartments. So we're going to go ahead and change these up. I ended up deciding to make these into glitter slimes. So I'm going to be doing pink, blue, and then silver. First, I'm going to change up the color of the slime by adding in some food coloring, and then I'm going to add in glitter. Here are all 18 slimes in our palette, and now for my favorite part, which is decorating. So I'm going to be using these polymer clay charms that I made, and I'm also going to be adding some glitter, sprinkles, and a whole bunch of different add-ins. You can decorate your slime palette however you want. So these right here are the 3 slimes before the makeover, and here they are after. I turned 3 slimes into 18 different slimes. I love the way this slime palette turned out. It's been a really long time since I've made like a big slime palette like this, so I had a lot of fun. And that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you all are having a fantastic day. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video.